Spring means flowers are blooming, birds are singing, the bees are buzzing, and your house needs cleaning and decluttering. I give up on this earring. I'm taking it off. 'Tis the season for spring cleaning, and Paige is live in Frisco inside a home that needs to sort a lot of things out. Paige?
Hey, good morning to you and good morning, Texas. I don't know about you, but when it comes to these projects in my home, it's easier just to shut the door and pretend that they're not there and pray that the fairies will come and get things sorted out. Well, I'm about to introduce you to one of those fairies. This is Tonia Tomlin with SortedOut. She's the one that kind of works the magic to help you kind of declutter your home so that you can be in a wonderful sanctuary. That's what the home is intended to be. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
Let's talk about some of the roadblocks that homeowners typically face when it comes to kind of decluttering, especially those waste areas, that room that we have or that closet that we have. That's where all our stuff goes. It's so hard to get in there and get it clean.
It is. It is so overwhelming for people because they just don't know where to start. And they feel this sense of anxiety and just kind of this overwhelming, this weight that's on them, and they just don't know how to start.
We've heard a lot about Marie Kondo. Yeah. She has really taken, kind of the nation by storm with coming up with some practical ideas for organization. And those are tips that you've been applying in your practice for years.
For 15 years we've been in business, and I love that Marie Kondo has inspired others to become more organized. And I like that she sorts by category, but when we're doing a whole room makeover like this, it is a little bit harder to do that, but we definitely will be sorting by category today.
All right, I want to introduce you to somebody. Come over here, my friend. This is Vanessa. She is the homeowner here. Vanessa, I know that this has been a problem area for you. Talk to me about kind of what emotions do you feel when you wake up in the morning in your master bedroom and you see this and you're facing this every day?
Well, it's overwhelming sometimes because I know there's so many things I have to do, and I tell myself, eventually I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. I'll do it next week. And then next week comes and I don't get to it. And I feel horrible because I'm being a bad I'm going to get emotional.
Come here, baby. I'm right here with you. Yeah. It's hard, isn't it? And we do a lot, don't we? Moms and trying to make everything work. A little pile that can sometimes just be too much, can be overwhelming.
I have two teenage girls now, and I know they're watching Mom, and it's... Sorry.
Yeah, okay, so Tonia, is there something we could say? All three of us are going to start crying here. Yeah, because this is something that we face a lot, Tonia, because we have a lot of shame associated with it as well. And really, it's a problem that most of us face.
Yeah. I'm just so proud of you for doing this, and I'm so glad that I get emotional because we're so passionate about what we do. And like I said, we've been in business for 15 years, but we really are changing families. And I just want to say, thank you for allowing us to be in your home and go through this process together, because you are making a difference. You're a working mom. You are showing your girls an example, but at the same time, it's hard to do everything that we have to do every single day.
Right.
And we're here to help you get organized, and our functionalities and all the different things that we can help you with are going to help you stay organized.
And we're going to start right now. We're going to start right now. That's the key. Tonia, let's talk about the very beginning process. What do we need to do to kind of get ready? We've made the decision. We're motivated. We're going to make this happen. I see you've got 3 bins here, and that's a big part of your strategy.
Yes. So I like to sort out, our categories and say, hey, Vanessa, I know that these are things lying around the room. What is this? Do you like this?
No, my daughter won it in a claw game. She was just excited because she won something, and it stuck around, so it can go.
So we want to kiss it goodbye, but we're not going to give it a funeral today, right? We're just going to say, okay, we're going to donate this.
Do a couple more.
And then same with this. So these are gloves.
Yep, my daughter's outgrown them. We're good.
Okay,
Let them go.
Donate these.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, we forgot to kiss it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, what is as a hat is the same?
I made this.
Okay.
And it's got more sentimental value. My daughter says we were going to go skiing, and she says, "Mom, I need a new hat." So I told her, "Well, pick out." I have way too much yarn.
Okay, so this is your pat, one of your other
passions. This is my passion. Yes.
Okay,
so
we'll put in the knitting.
I'll keep that one.
So you want to put it in the knitting, and you know what? And what I have to say, Vanessa seems like an ideal client because she's already donated 2 of the 3 items. It's really difficult for us to kind of let go of these items sometimes, and so I congratulate you for that. All right, and good news, guys. We're going to be working away during the entire hour of Good Morning Texas, and we're going to be coming back and giving you the big reveal when all of this is done. I'm proud of you, Vanessa.